Hello everyone. I welcome you all to the maths class. So in this session we are going to continue with the chapter 9 boxes and sketches. The topic which we are going to cover is boxes and boxes, which is in page number 125 of your Math Magic NCERT book. Okay? So question state that all boxes are not cubes. It's absolutely perfect that all the boxes which we have discussed till now are only cubes and cuboids, right? But here they are saying that all the boxes are not cube. So here are some different kinds of boxes, okay, given here. Match the shape below with a box into which it will fold. Suppose if you open the cuboid, what are you going to get? Of course, you are going to get a sheet of a paper in which you have cut, you have made a cut out, isn't it? So similarly, all the boxes which are not cube will also, when also get unfolded, they will be converted into some sheet of a paper, but their shapes will not be a simple sheet of a paper. Okay, so let us match number A. This is a number A here. Okay, this is 3D shapes only, which you are going to discuss in your higher class. I'm not going to discuss about this. This is called a triangular prism. Okay, so this one is getting matched with this. Figure A is getting matched with number 2. Why do you think so? Why I have taken this? Because you can see this triangular shape there. Over here also we have got the triangular shape, but it will be facing in this manner. It will be like this, so it will be in the inward position, so that's why we will not be able to see over here, but when you open it you'll be able to see it. Okay, so this is the condition here. So that is why number A is getting matched with 2. Number B is a cone here. You people have when your friend's birthday is there, when you yourself has got the birthday, your parents will bring some cone shaped figure to put above your head, right? So that is, if you try to open it, this will get matched with 4. Just have a look. B will get matched with 4. I hope you people have made cone many a time. When you will make, you have to first of all make a cutout of this. If you fold it, you will make a cone. Okay, next, third one, number C. Number C, when you open it, just have a look. The cutout will look like this. So C is getting matched with number 1. Next, number D. Number D is a cylinder. So cylindrical figure, when you open it, it will look like this. So number D is getting matched with number 3. Okay, so this is the way of doing. I hope you guys understood it. Okay, now in the next page, here in this topic, we are going to touch the portion of an engineering or architect. So you people will enjoy this. So listen to me very carefully. Okay, read the sentence, read the word, whatever is given over there in this topic. Floor maps. For making a house, a floor map is first made. So wherever you are staying, that is your house. First of all, what engineers do, they make a floor map first of all. How your floor will look, right? Floor will look like this, and in that floor, here will be here there will be a windows, there will be a door. So first of all, they will mark it before they will not come directly and start putting the bricks, and they will start making the houses, isn't it? It's not like that. So first of all, what they will do is, whenever you'll become engineer, you'll learn at your higher class, you have to first of all set up the thing. Where will be windows, where will be doors, where will be your rooms will be set up in that manners only. But here we are just talking about the floor map, so in which we will be getting the idea of window and the door. Okay, so just have a look. For making a house, a floor map is first made. Have you ever seen a floor map? So you can ask your parents also, have you let me see the floor map of our house. Okay, so have a look. Here is a floor map of a Biba's house. So the map which you can see here is of Biba's house. It shows where the windows and the doors are in the houses. It is showing, the floor map is showing that the windows will be in this direction or in this position door will be there. So this floor map is representing particularly the windows and the doors. Okay, number one. So looking at this floor map, you have to give the question, answer of the question. Number one, which is the front side of the house? How many windows are there on the front side? So from here, which will be your front doors? Front door, front windows. Sorry, front side means you, from where you enter. Okay, from where you enters, that will be considered as the front side. So of course, from window, you won't be able to enter the house. Only thieves used to enter, isn't it? So you people have saw in the movie. So only from window we will not be able to enter. So from where we will be able to enter? Of course, door. So that is why this will be the which side is the front door? So we will write where there are two windows will be the front side of the of her house. Or simply you can write the side. Okay, this is called the side. These are the side here of Viva's house, and the side which contain door. If you don't have door, that means that is not called a house. That is simply a some kind of a room there is, but where you will not be able to enter. So in order to enter the house, you need to have a door. Okay, so the side which contain door is the front side, and where there is a door, there will be a front side also. So this will be the front face because there is a door. Okay, so the side which contain door is the front side of her house. So this thing you need to write in your copy, in your notebook. Now how many windows are there in the front side? So you can see this is the front side. Now you came to know. Now in the side of in the front side of her house, how many windows are there? 1 and 2. So what are you going to write? There are 2 windows. This is the next answer. There are 2, sorry for this, there are 2 windows on the front side. Okay, so this is how we will represent looking the floor house of any floor map of any house. Okay, continuation of the same page. From the floor map, we cannot make out what her house really looks like, or how high the windows are. So here it will be R, so something got mistake there. Windows are. So we walk for a special way of drawing the house, which is deep to show the length, width and height. Now from the floor map, we will not be able to make out actually what is the thing, right? So whenever, until and unless it is not the complete house, we will not be able to understand it properly from the from the floor map. But if you have the complete drawing of the house, you will be able to understand which one will be length, what will be the breadth and what will be the height. So here are the 4 deeps drawing of the houses they have given to us. These are called the deep drawing. Just drawing they have made. The architect, the engineer, they have an engineer, they have made this deep drawing. Okay, now there is a floor map also given. Now looking at this, what you have to do is you have to answer few questions there. Which one is Bibha's house? So among this, okay, till now we only understood that there was a floor house, and we understood there was front side, the 2 windows were there, and total 4 windows are there, right? 1 door was there in Bibha's house. Now your question will be, which one is Bibha's house looking at the deep drawing? So my answer will be number D. Okay, so here it is not properly visible. Okay, let me try to take another picture for this. Wait for a while. All right, now I guess you people can see this. the picture is very clear, right? Now, which one is Bibha's house? If you look it very carefully, compare this floor map and the deep drawing, then I'll say number D will be the option, correct option. Okay, option D will be the correct answer, or Bibha's house. Now, the next answer will be the next question. Why? I'll be details. I'll be discussing in a detailed manner. Why do the other three deep drawings do not match with the floor map? So, if you look the floor map carefully, why I am not taking number A? Because number A is showing a straight back portion, right? Other portions are okay. In front of windows there is a doors, it's fine, okay. And there in front of there in front side there are two windows, that is okay. Back side whatever is there, it's okay, fine. But the back side, this side, wait, this side is absolutely straight. So you will write drawing A will shows a straight back wall. So that is why it is not getting matched with the floor map. Okay, now the question comes, why not B then? So if you carefully look at the floor map and the window and the number B option, so we can see in front side, from when we face the front side, we can see three windows at all together. But when we look to this floor map properly, we can see only two windows. The windows which is considered here is at the back side, not in the front side. From the front face we will not be able to see. So in order to see this window we have to go back here, right? But looking at this deep diagram, we are easily able to see the windows from the front face only. So this is not the correct. So you can write drawing B shows three windows from front. From front only we are able to see the three windows. That is why. Number C. Now why number C is not also the option? So let me erase this. In number C, the windows which are there are of equal size. But if you take number D, just have a look. Window in the actual window at the back side is little bit bigger or larger compared to the front face. But in figure C, all the figures are of equal size, right? So this is why figure C is also not getting matched. But in figure D, just have a look. This is little bit larger one, okay, compared to the earlier one. So drawing C shows equal size of windows. That is why figure C is, or drawing C is also not getting matched. But figure D is absolutely getting matched, as because from the front we can see two windows, right? From the front we can see two windows. Oh, sorry, in case of B, what I have forgot to mention is in the right side we are able to see the, not from the front face, we will be saying from the right side we are able to see the window. But in this will be the right side, but in case of floor map there is no windows on the right side. So I have to clear out this, that drawing B shows, not 3, shows windows on the right side. But in case of floor map, in the right hand side there is no window. That is why figure B is not getting matched. Okay, there was mistake, please kindly correct it. So this is the thing which we will be discussing in this session. This is all. Okay, in our next session we will be proceeding with the next topic. All right, so this much for today. Thank you everyone.